We can perfect it after we're finished with all 3 petals. And I'm gonna get like this. This one is easy, so you don't have to worry about it's gonna go wrong or right. And then if you don't like it, you can definitely just roll them back up and start molding it again. So press down in the middle and then spread it to the left, to the right, and then you can perfect. Now you can do all 3 petals at once, and you don't have to wait for or doing 1 petal at one, because normally with acrylics you have to do 1 petal at a time, because or else it's going to set. You can't do all 3 of them at once.
So you got bunny and you got cherry blossom too. Ish.
You know what? Does it look like a cherry blossom to
A
you?
little bit, not all of them, but yes.